Passive income. It's the holy grail of personal finance. And in 2024, staking XRP is emerging as one of the most promising ways to achieve it. It is becoming a go-to strategy for investors seeking steady passive income. With XRP's impressive growth and a strong foothold in the crypto market, staking surely offers a unique opportunity to earn rewards simply by holding your tokens. But how exactly do you stake XRP and what kind of returns can you expect? Understanding XRP staking. All right, before we dive headfirst into the rabbit hole, let's talk a little about Crypto 101. Staking in the traditional sense is like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but with a twist. It's all digital, and instead of a bank, you're dealing with blockchains. Interestingly, XRP doesn't do traditional staking. Yep, XRP runs on something called the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm, RPCA. In layman's terms, it means that instead of staking your coins to validate transactions and secure the network, like you would with proof-of-stake cryptos, XRP uses a network of unique nodes to reach consensus without the need for staking. But wait, you came here to learn about staking XRP. Well, hold on. Just because XRP doesn't play by the usual rules doesn't mean you can't earn passive income with it. The crypto community is nothing if not resourceful, and they've cooked up some clever ways to stake your XRP by proxy. Okay, imagine you're at a carnival and there's no cotton candy stand. Tragic, right? But then you spot someone selling cotton candy-flavored popcorn. It's not exactly what you were looking for, but hey, it still hits the spot. That's what these alternative staking methods are like. Different, but still deliciously rewarding. One popular method is depositing your XRP into an interest-bearing account on platforms that offer crypto lending services. Think of it as lending your precious XRP to someone who needs it for their own crypto endeavors. In return for your generosity, and let's be honest, your desire for profit, you get a cut of the action in the form of interest payments. Now, the numbers are what really matter here. Depending on the platform you choose and market conditions, you could earn an annual percentage yield, APY, that makes traditional banking look like child's play. Let's say you've got a cool 10,000 XRP tokens in your digital wallet. You find a platform offering a 5% APY on XRP deposits. If you let those tokens sit and marinate in that account for a year, voila, you've just earned yourself an extra 500 XRP just for letting your crypto lounge around like it's on vacation. Where to stake your XRP tokens? Okay, now the question is, where should you go for the best interest? Well, the most reliable one is Binance's Simple Earn, a platform that's as straightforward as its name suggests. Binance has been in the crypto exchange for years now, and their Simple Earn feature is like the cherry on top of their already impressive sundae. Suppose you decide to deposit 20,000 XRP into a Simple Earn account with an APY of 4%. At the end of a year, not accounting for any compound interest or changes in APY, you'd be looking at an extra 800 XRP in your pocket. Apart from Binance, other platforms like Nexo and uHodler are also vying for your attention and your XRP. Nexo prides itself on being one of the most secure places to earn interest on your crypto holdings. uHodler, on the other hand, is still new but provides the latest features. They offer a unique feature called multi-HODL that allows you to multiply your crypto assets through market fluctuations. Choosing the right platform. Keep in mind that some platforms might nibble away at your earnings with withdrawal fees or service charges. It's essential to read up and weigh these factors before committing your XRP to any platform. A pro tip is to always look for a platform with a reputation and APY rates. Higher APY means higher potential earnings, but also consider the lock-in periods. It's a balancing act between how long you're willing to part with your XRP and how much you want to earn. And yes, to calculate potential earnings from staking XRP, just multiply the amount of XRP you plan to stake by the APY rate as a decimal, and you've got your estimated earnings. For example, 10,000 XRP, 0.05, 5% APY, 500 XRP earned per year. If you need to unstake your XRP, it's usually as simple as clicking unstake or withdraw on the platform where you staked it. Step-by-step guide to staking XRP on Binance. Anyway, we're ready to start earning. We've chosen Binance as our playground for this adventure because, let's face it, they've got a smooth user interface. So let's break down the staking process. First, of course, you'll need a Binance account. If you've already got one, great. Log in and skip ahead to step 2. If not, sign up. Just make sure you've got all your ducks in a row with the necessary ID verification because Binance is all about that KYC, know your customer life. Once you're logged in, you'll need to transfer your XRP tokens to your Binance wallet. If you don't have XRP yet, you can purchase some directly on Binance using that fiat currency, burning a hole in your pocket. Next, hover over the Finance tab at the top of the page and click on Binance Earn. From there, find the Simple Earn section. It should be front and center. Now comes the part of picking your XRP product. Binance offers various options with different lock-in periods and interest rates. It's like choosing between different flavors of ice cream. They're all good, but you've got to pick the one that makes your taste buds, or in this case, your wallet, sing. Let's say you opt for a flexible savings product with no lock-in period because commitment scares you. You might see a lower APY for this freedom. Let's ballpark it at around 2%. Or maybe you're feeling bold and decide to lock up your XRP for 30 days in a fixed savings product. The APY could jump up to 5% or more because Binance appreciates your dedication. Once you've made your choice, click subscribe, enter the amount of XRP you want to stake, and confirm the transaction. Congratulations! You've just sent your XRP off to earn its keep. Now comes the easiest step, doing absolutely nothing. Just sit back, relax, and let Binance work its magic. You'll start earning interest from day one, and you can check in on your earnings anytime under the Simple Earn dashboard. Benefits of staking XRP. If you're still asking yourself, why stake your XRP? Well, apart from the obvious perk of passive income, there are a plethora of benefits waiting for you. Staking is a low effort with potentially high rewards. You're not actively trading or analyzing charts all day. You're just letting your crypto do the heavy lifting. So yeah, low effort, high reward. By staking, you're also supporting the network's security and operations. Think of it as being part of a neighborhood watch program, but instead of looking out for sketchy characters, you're helping to keep the blockchain robust and healthy. Alternative earning options with XRP. Moving on, what if I told you staking isn't the only way to earn XRP? Another option is yield farming. Think of it as staking's more adventurous cousin. It involves lending your XRP to liquidity pools on decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. In return, you get a cut of the transaction fees plus some nifty governance tokens. For example, let's say you join a liquidity pool on Flare Finance, a platform that's cozied up with Ripple in a partnership. If you contribute 10,000 XRP when the pool's annual percentage yield, APY, is sitting pretty at 10%, you could rake in about 1,000 XRP over a year. Okay, speaking of partnerships, RippleNet has been busy shaking hands with financial institutions left and right. By holding XRP, you could potentially benefit from these partnerships as they drive up demand, and hopefully the price, of XRP. For instance, if Ripple partners with a new bank that decides to use XRP for cross-border payments, this could lead to an uptick in XRP's value. Let's say you bought XRP at $0.50 a piece, and thanks to a new partnership announcement, the price jumps to $0.75. If you're holding 20,000 XRP, that's a neat $5,000 increase in your investment value. No staking required. Next, there's another option. The good old-fashioned trading. Buy low, sell high. With XRP's price known to swing like Tarzan through the jungle of market volatility, there are opportunities for those with nerves of steel and quick reflexes. There's a rumor that Ripple will partner with a big tech company very soon. If you buy 5,000 XRP at $0.60 each in anticipation, and this rumor turns out to be true, hooray, and the price surges to $90 overnight. By selling at this peak, you've just pocketed a cool $1,500 profit before breakfast. And that's a wrap. Staking XRP offers a fascinating way to generate passive income while supporting the network. So, are you planning to stake XRP in 2024? What are your strategies for maximizing returns? Share your tips and thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on XRP ETF incoming, what Ethereum's approval means for XRP. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.